Jordan, and today we're going to be making soda erat with mentos. We're also going to be learning why it does that. But before we get started, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click that bell. Gonna be a sticky situation, so I'm gonna go outside. So we're outside, and we're gonna be putting Mentos with a wrapper inside the bottle and testing and see how it goes. So right here, I have a bottle of soda, and I'm gonna open it slowly so it doesn't explode a little bit. And then, gonna put the packet in. 3, 2, 1. Wow. That's a slow explosion. And then we give it a little shake. I guess it would melt and explode. Now for the big finale. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God!
When a bottle of soda is opened, some of the carbon dioxide bubbles escape. However, millions more bubbles are left in the soda but cannot escape because they are too tiny to work their way up. When a Mentos candy is added, millions of tiny bubbles form on the surface of the Mentos, forming bigger bubbles that can escape. This rush is what causes the explosion.
Wow! That's how it explodes with Mentos. I am very impressed. In order to get the best exploding results, let's talk about the technique. So right here, I have water in a Coke bottle. And in order to make it look like Coke, I have food coloring. Lots of you like to put this in slime, but we're going to be putting it in water today. This is a pink one. So now we're going to be pouring the food coloring inside the bottle. Whoa, that's cool motion. Two, kind of blood. 3, and 4. I'm going to be adding a little bit more before we get to the fun stuff. I'll spend a lot of it. I'm going to take an orange kind of Coke. some fake Coke. And how we're going to be putting in Mentos is we're going to be using the STEMGirl Abby pulley. It's a little bit not so sturdy, but it's okay. And the way this experiment works is you take the pulley, put it on top, make sure it's really good on top. After putting in a Mentos, you pull. And you should see at the bottom of there. Let's put this stuff away. Sounds like actual soda. Looks like actual soda. Smells like food coloring. Thanks for watching these videos. I hope you enjoyed it. I surely